Hello traders, welcome to our YouTube channel once again. As you can see, we are still on the winning team. So a lot of people are complaining about that they don't have computers to do their trading. So today I'm going to teach you some mobile hacks, some mobile strategies that we can use in order to have a winning team. So I will give you a few indicators that are going to help us in analyzing today. So basically, let's just say the first thing we can do, we go to our indicators chart over there, and then we come over here on this button. So I want to make sure that people can see how we do this thing. So we're going to go there, and then we're going to first look for the RSI. So let's look for the RSI, the relative strength index. So for period, let's put one on period, and then apply to close, it's okay. And then style, I think for style let's go for 1 pixel. And then for the levels, remember these are the default settings, so you need to go in there and you begin to add. So for index, let's go for this one. Let's say the first one, let's make it 90, and then the second one, or let's make this one 91, and then let's make this one 90. And then you can continue and check the other one. I can edit this one and make it strong sell. So let's make it this one a strong sell. You just edit like I'm doing, my friends. So this one is a strong sell, like that. And then you use this button over here for adding. So use that button over there so that we can add, if that's okay. So you go to that button, just after you click it, it takes you to the next one. So we've got 91, we've got 90. So now let's go for 80, and then for 80 just leave it like that. Add another one. Let's go for 0, it's okay. And then let's add another one, which is 20, and then let's add another one. Let's put this one as 20, then let's put this one as 10. And then for the 20, let's put it like this. Let's just leave it like that. And then for the 10, we're going to say it's our strong buy. So we're going to put this one as our strong buy. And then let's go for 9. So let's add 9. For the 9, let's just leave it as description. So after that, the style, let's go for 3 over there. So let's make it 3 pixel and leave it like that, so you can save now. Then we can go back. So let's save it, and then we are going to have to come back here on indicator window 1, so that you can add MACD. So now let's look for MACD and add it over here, and then let's edit it once again. So let's edit over here. Let's start with the first EMA and make it 16. So let's make it 16 here, and then the slow EMA, let's make it 30. Remember, we're just editing. And then for the MACD SMA, let's make it 13. So let's make it 13, and then we're going to apply it to close, leave it like that. Then we're going to go for the main pixel. Let's make it white, and because we won't need it. And then for the signal, let's make it 3 pixel. It's okay, let's leave it with red. And then let's go for the levels. The levels, I think let's leave it on 1 pixel over there. I have to make sure that everyone is clear on this thing, my dear friends. So let's leave it like that. And then remember, before you can continue on the other one, don't forget to click save update. So we have to save these settings, and then once again we go back to our indicator. window 1, and then this time around let's look for moving average. So moving average is over here. I have to make sure that everyone is able to see these things. So this is moving average over there, so you click it, and then so for the moving average for the period, let's make it 1, and then shift, let's leave it on 0, and then the method, let's take it to linear weight, and then apply to previous indicator. Let's use this one, previous indicator data, and then for the styles, let's make it 4 pixel and put it on black. So if you want to change the color, you just click that power button over there, and then for the levels, let's make it 1 pixel. It's okay like that, so we leave it, and then remember, once again we save. So now we've got our indicators over here. These are the ones that we'll be using on this strategy. They are very simple, and yet they are very much important. So these three are the ones that we're going to be using over here. So now, my dear friends, let's go back to our chart. So this is how the chart now looks like. You see there's a huge difference from the charts now. So how do we use these charts? This chart really works best when it is on H1 over there. As you can see, the time frame that we are using is on 1, is the 1 hour time frame, so it works best over there. Now, how do we place our entries? So let me just show you a bit. You see, if we want to make a sell or a buy entry, it's important that we consider the 90 line level and the 10 line level. And then so let's say now what we want to do is that we want to know how we have to buy. So if you want to have a buy sell, what you are going to do is that you are going to wait for the black line to touch the 10 line level over here, just if you can see very well. So you're going to wait for the black line to touch the 10 line level, and then you are going to wait for both lines to cross as they have done over here. And then what you are going to wait for next is that you have to wait for both of the lines to cross the 20 line level. So after they have crossed, and then you wait for them to be above the 20 line level. As you can see, they began to go over the 20 line level over there. So it's as easy as that, my friends. So looking at this point, they were now above. So now it means we were going to make our buy entry somewhere right here, because so we're going to make our buy entry over there. So now price is going up indeed. Then maybe we want to make a sell entry. So for the sell entry, what we are going to do is this. It's still simple even on that part. So I want to find a clear example. All right, yes, over here. So for the sell entry, we are going to wait for the black line to touch the 90 line level, and then we're going to wait for both of them to cross as they've done there, and then we're going to wait for both of our lines to come below the 80 line level, as you can see on this region over here. So now after they have crossed the 80 line level and they are below it, then you can place your sell trade. As you can see from the chart, if you are going to look at closely, price began to really sell at this stage. So that is how easy it is, my dear friends. And on the next video, I have to teach you more on how you put your stop losses, but then for now you can just use whatever method there is you have on your side. So feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more about this strategy and other mobile strategies that I'll be teaching you very soon. So see you next time. Thank you.